Hello again, welcome back to Between the Keys. I've been teaching all of the songs in the US Top 40 and I'm now on the final one, I believe. Finished all of the ones in the September list, started looking at October, and now I'm looking at what is currently number 37. It's moving up the list in October. It's called Heatstroke by Khalid. It uses basically just 3 chords for the whole song. We used to have these things called 4-chord songs. Now we have 3-chord songs. Next it will be 2-chord songs. You get the idea. It'll go down and it'll go down. And then there won't be chords anymore or melodies. It'll just be some AI voice. This is music. Dance around. Listen to my voice. La 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 la. AI. That's right, baby. I'm AI. Yeah. That's what we're heading towards. Or maybe not. Hopefully not. Anyway, what if I told you the sun is getting closer? The first chord you need is a D. There it is. Lovely old D. D to a lovely old A to a lovely old E over G sharp in the bass. E over G sharp. D, A, E over G sharp. Those are the only 3 chords you need, and thanks for tuning in to Between the Keys. You've now learnt the song. No, of course not. It plays that intro 2 times, so told you the sun is coming closer, and what a heat stroke, such a supernova. Would you hold me close right here on my shoulder? It never feels like summer's really over. Okay, we go to the next part of the first verse, which is cause when it starts I'm overwhelmed and no I can't explain, and then the walls begin to melt as it bursts into flames, and we go back to D and I recall the way I felt. A, no, I'll never be the same, no I wouldn't be the same. Then we go to a little instrumental like the intro. That's all you have to do. D, A, E over G sharp. You could just literally hold the chords. A, E, D, back to the song we go. It goes to a D again because it's the same chords all the way through. Because when it starts, I'm overwhelmed, no I can't ignore. In the end it's hard to tell, we're all fighting for what we're all fighting for. Okay, shall we sit here by ourselves and let go? The instrumental again. It a little bit interesting. So when you tell me that we'll make it, tell me that we'll make it, tell me that we'll make it, tell me that what will make it. Oh, thinking maybe we can save us, maybe we can save this, maybe we can save this, maybe we can save this. Yeah, if we're faking, even if we're faking, even if we're faking, even if we're faking, thinking maybe we can save this, maybe we can save this, maybe we can save this, maybe we can save this. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Wouldn't that be wonderful? Wouldn't that be wonderful? Wouldn't that be wonderful? Wouldn't it be so wonderful? Back to D. Wouldn't it be wonderful? Wouldn't it be wonderful? Wouldn't it be wonderful? Wouldn't it be wonderful? Wonderful. And then it ends with, what if I told you the sun is coming closer? What a heat stroke, such a supernova. And then the outro, that 2 times. 2 times run this again, the same old chords again. Can you believe he got away with only 3 chords for the whole song? It's almost criminal, but he got away with it and he made money from it because it's in the chart. charts, so he's a millionaire probably, I don't know. But either way, I don't know or care how much money he has. The end. What if I told you the song is coming closer? That's, what's it called? Heatstroke by Khalid. Fantastic song, fantastic. So that basically finishes off the US Top 40. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for your round of applause. I got through it. I got through every song in September. I looked at October. I'll give it a few weeks or a month or two and see what comes out next month, see what happens in November, see if any new music comes out that's interesting in December as well. Hopefully there is some good stuff. And I'll tell you what, it's been quite a journey going through all of these songs. I got through them much quicker than I thought. More of them were 3 or 4 chord songs than I thought. Either way, never mind. I'm going to move on to some songs that I like and that are good, such as songs by Adele, Bruno Mars, and many other people. Michael Jackson, who else? I'm sure I've got a whole Queen. I'm going to do some Queen, a whole list of stuff. And I'll see you for those in the next one. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And you've been watching Between the Keys. I hope you'll be there in the next one on Between the Keys. Thanks for watching.